Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm gonna give you an update on my portfolio. I'm gonna show you the last dividend I have received for the month of April, and then I have done some changes to my spreadsheet that I'd like you guys to see. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get started. We are currently looking at the overview page on my Google Sheet, and as we can see, my portfolio value is almost 91k US dollars, and I am up right now. I am up 23.6k US dollars, which equal almost 35%. I will show you on the next page. So I am pretty happy with that. Currently, I am invested 91% in the stock market, and I still have around 9% cash I can deploy into the market. And as we can see on the top left corner, my biggest holding is still Tesla, around 27%. And that's on looking at the sector allocation, I'm still heavily invested in the technology and consumer discretionary. Right now for April, I have got $10 in dividends, but I still need to plug in the last dividend I have received, so let's do that. The last dividend I got for the month of April is from Altria Group. This is a screenshot from my brokerage, and as you can see, Altria paid off a dividend of 84 cents per share. I currently have 100 shares of Altria, and out of that dividend payment, I still need to pay 15% taxes. So after the taxes, I am receiving $71.4 into my account. So what we do is I just go simply to my dividend payment sheet and then find Altria. So Altria also paid me in January, the 10th of January. So I just copy this line here, and then I insert it here, and then I simply just change the date to when they paid me. So they paid me of the 30th of April. I still have 100 shares, nothing have changed, and I got payment of $84. I have a tax. After the tax, I'm getting $71.4 dollars. So that's how I plugged it in here, and then I will go into the dividend graph page here. I also updated, so I simply stand here on this cell and then equal, go to the dividend payment and choose the last one and press enter. Then my graph here on the bottom is updated, and if we go to the overview page, we can also see that that's also updated. So the dividend I received for the month of April in total is $81. So if we average out on the last 4 months, it will be around 19k. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let's go to the dividend calendar sheet and see what company I'm expecting to getting dividend from next month. So if we click here at the bottom, I have made a Google sheet called Dividend Calendar. I simply just plug all the company I own and what months they are paying me dividend. So the next one is May, and as you can see, I have 4 dividend payment. So the first one is from Apple, the second is from Appy, and the third is from Starbucks, and then lastly Realty Income, which pay a monthly. So I'm expecting to get 4 dividend payment in the month of May, so that's pretty nice. At the bottom here is currently some stocks I don't hold. I just simply plug them in for the fun and to just see what months they are paying the dividend. Obviously, I will never pick a company based on what date, what months they are paying me dividend. So as you can see right here, I have many dividends get paid in February and March, and then 3 months ahead, but I don't have many dividends payment in January, April, July, and October, that doesn't mean I am like, oh, let's go and buy JP Morgan so I can boost that up. No, I simply just look at the valuation of a company. Do I like it or not? And then I buy it. But it's just to simply quick overview of some company I'm interested in to buy. If we go to my portfolio sheet here, we can see some more detailed information about my purchase and etc. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I am up currently at 35% of my initial investment of $67K US dollars. So my portfolio value is $91K US dollars, and I'm super close to the 100K marker. Super excited about that, and yeah, hopefully we can get that in the next couple of months. As you can see on the left corner, I haven't done any purchases for the month of April, so hopefully I will come back in May and buy some stocks that are undervalued. I have done some update and some changes to my Google Sheet. I have added this watch list tab here. If we go here, we can see some stocks that I am considering to buy. So what I do is I just plug in the stocks that I'm interested in and that I need to do some more research on. But I just plug in the amount of shares I'm interested to buy and the unit code, what the price was when I was looking at it. And then it for me is just to compare, okay, how would have the stock performed if I bought it at that time. And then, yeah, as you can see that these data I put in was the mid of March, but I didn't want to buy that much. I already bought a lot in March, so I was just plugging it for the fun and to see what company are currently undervalued. So if you look here at the tab here, we can see some key data, the EPS, the beta, the PE ratio, and we can see the dividend yield and what my yield on cost would have been if I bought it at that time, and how much my annual income would have increased if I buy X amount of share. And then I have this column here, 52 weeks range. So on the right side here, we can see the stocks here, how much it have been falling from its 52 weeks high and how much it have been increasing from its 52 weeks low. Based on this information, I'm getting a quickly overview about some company are looking interested, and if they fit my criteria, I will of course just start to do more research of that company before buying it. That was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, feel free to write that down in the comment section below. If you want me to do more video of this type here, feel free to give me a like and subscribe, and that will keep me motivated to do more video like this. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.